Gilbert, Arizona. Friends, this is Sean Leonard here with Housing Around AZ, powered by King and Sky Realty. I am at 3815 South Posse Trail in Gilbert, Arizona. This is a stunning 2,100 square foot house. This courtyard backyard is beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. You have full length windows that you can see out to the courtyard whenever you're sitting downstairs. It's absolutely gorgeous. And there's a hidden little gym upstairs, a mini bar in the loft. Absolutely stunning house, and you're in Gilbert. You're less than 8 miles away from downtown Gilbert, which is one of the top downtown districts in Arizona. So you have the ability to go out and enjoy the beautiful downtown area here in Gilbert. And you're right there, easy cab right away. Guys, come check out this house. This is perfect if you are looking to be in the heart of Gilbert, which is one of the top communities in Arizona. This is your opportunity to do it. This beautiful house is 2,100 square feet. It's got 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and that beautiful backyard with a fountain. Who doesn't want their own fountain, right?